In this video, I will show you a detailed comparison between Writecream and Grammarly, two popular writing tools. For your convenience, the links to both Writecream and Grammarly are in the description below so you can try them out. Writecream offers AI-powered content generation, grammar checking, and plagiarism detection, while Grammarly also provides these features along with additional tools like tone detection and style suggestions. Writecream offers a free plan with limited features. Grammarly also has a free plan. Both tools offer value for their respective price points. Writecream is ideal for bloggers, content creators, and businesses looking for a comprehensive writing assistant. Grammarly, on the other hand, is more widely used and caters to a broader audience, including students, professionals, and writers. While Grammarly is a popular choice for many, Writecream stands out in several key areas. Writecream's AI is more adept at generating coherent and engaging content, making it a valuable tool for content creators looking to save time and effort. Additionally, Writecream's pricing is more competitive, offering similar features to Grammarly at a lower cost. Overall, Writecream provides a compelling alternative to Grammarly for those looking for a powerful writing assistant. In conclusion, both Writecream and Grammarly are excellent writing tools with their own strengths and weaknesses. Depending on your specific needs and preferences, either tool could be a great choice for improving your writing. Click the link in the description to try Writecream and Grammarly for free.